What happened while you were cooking?
The doorbell rang, and I answered it.
Who was it?
It was just Bill from across the street.
Look at your face. It is all black. What happened?
I was cooking.
What happened while you were cooking?
I forgot to lower the flame and everything got burnt.
What are you going to do now?
Well, now I will have to order a pizza.
What a smell! What's going on here?
I was cooking for all of us.
And what happened while you were cooking?
I spilled soup over the flame. That is why it smells here.
What happened while you were cooking?
I started watching TV and forgot about the food.
Was the food okay?
It depends if you like eating charcoal.
What happened while you were cooking?
I spilled the milk on the floor.
You better clean it up.
Yes.
What happened while you were cooking?
My mom called.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, we had a nice talk.
And the food?
It turned out well.
Sorry about the mess.
What happened while you were cooking?
I forgot about the food and it got burnt.
I guess I'll have to show you how to cook.
What happened while you were cooking?
I left the cake in the oven for too long and everything got burnt.
So what will we do about Jenny's birthday?
Don't worry, I'll go out and buy a cake.
What happened while you were at school?
We took a test today.
How was it?
I got an A.
Wow, that's great. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks.
What happened while you were cooking?
Becky came over and helped me.
That was nice of her.
It sure was.
Sorry, I made a mess.
What happened while you were cooking?
I spilled the soup.
Clean it up and I'll order a pizza.
I will tell you a story.
That will be very interesting to hear.
Once, my friend and I went fishing together. We fished all day, and we caught several fish. Then, it became dark in the evening, and we started to cook dinner.
What happened while you were cooking?
A bear smelled our cooking and came over to the place we were cooking and ate all the food that we prepared.
Are you telling me the truth? Hello, Chris. How are you?
Not bad, Julie.
Did you bring the book I asked you yesterday?
Sorry, I didn't. I completely forgot it.
What were you doing when I called you? It was very noisy.
Oh, we were repairing the kitchen with my father.
Oh, I see.
What were you doing when I called you? You sounded very strange.
I was sleeping.
That is why you couldn't answer even simple questions.
Especially when someone is calling at 1 o'clock in the morning.
What were you doing when I called?
I was cleaning.
How thoughtful of you.
I just thought the place looked a little messy, that's all. What were you doing when I called?
I was watching TV with my brother.
Did he stay up too late?
No, He went to bed right on time. I need you to not play around when I call you.
I'm sorry.
What were you doing when I called?
I was going to the bathroom.
What were you doing when I called?
Actually, I had just finished taking a shower.
Do you usually take showers in the morning?
In the summer, it's pretty hot, so I like to take showers in the morning.
I like to take showers at night.
Good for you. Look at the interesting picture I drew.
What were you doing when I called?
I was painting while listening to loud music. I couldn't hear the phone ring.
You shouldn't listen to loud music all the time. What were you doing when I called?
I was in the middle of cooking.
Was dinner ready by the time your brother came home?
Yes, he came home soon after your call.
I tried calling all day, but no one picked up the phone.
Oh, I was out shopping all day today.
Really? Where did you go?
I went to the mall.
What did you buy?
I bought some clothes. What were you doing when I called?
I was out. Guess I missed you.
I guess you did.
Try to call me on my cellular phone next time. What were you doing when I called?
I was just hanging around the house.
You should have cleaned up a bit here.
I'll start cleaning up now.
What were you doing when I called?
I was in the shower.
Really? But I tried to call a few times.
I like to take long showers.
You do?
That's right.
Our family travels a lot. This summer we went to Europe.
That's interesting. Did you have a good time?
Yes. This time it was really good.
Have you ever been to America?
Yes. 2 years ago we visited US and Canada with all our family. Hello.
Hello.
My name is Jonathan.
My name is Eugene.
Eugene, you speak very good English. Have you ever been to America?
Yes, I went there a few times for summer camp. You have a nice photo album. I guess you have traveled a lot.
Yes, I traveled all my life.
Have you ever been to America?
Yes, I've been to US, Canada, and Mexico too. Have you ever been to America?
I'm American.
You are? I thought you were a Canadian.
No, I'm American.
I can speak English.
Have you ever been to America?
No, but I have been to Australia.
That doesn't count for anything. Have you ever been to America?
I have been several times in my dreams.
What's it like there?
There are a lot of purple monsters and everyone speaks French. Have you ever been to America?
Twice last year.
Where have you been in the States?
I went to Los Angeles both times.
I can cook American food.
Have you ever been to America?
No, I've just been to McDonald's several times.
Well, I guess you can cook. I like to travel.
Have you ever been to America?
Actually, no.
Well, where have you been then?
I've been to Guam.
That must have been nice. Have you ever been to America?
I've been just a few times.
But you're Korean. How did you get the visa?
I may be Korean, but I can get visas easily.
America is an interesting place.
Have you ever been to America?
No, but I have seen many American movies.
What's America like? Have you ever been to America?
I went when I was really young, so I don't remember any of it.
Really? But where in America did you go?
I've been to California.
Wow, I've always wanted to go to California.
Maybe someday you can go.